Person who knows a lot about running is our Chris Conti, and he is at the finish line of the half marathon. And I understand you spoke with, or have with you, the female winner, Chris.
We do. Her name is Lauren Versweveld. She is from Fort Worth, Texas. How old did you say you were?
I'm 26.
26, and she won the half marathon a couple minutes ago. How was the course? How was the race?
It was great. I loved the bands, and the crowd support was awesome. I'm so glad the weather held out, so it was a really fun morning.
All we've been talking about all week is the weather.
I
How
know.
was it?
It was great. It was perfect. Overcast was nice, so I couldn't have asked for better. I was so glad it didn't storm. So
You got a $250 check there in your hand?
I think so, yeah. So that's nice. Pays for my trip.
Where have you run this race before?
I haven't. Nope. This is my first rock and roll. Well, not my first rock and roll, but here in Nashville it is. So
Talk about, at the beginning, the first couple miles, there's a lot of turns, a lot of hills,
Yeah.
gradual hills. But how is that as a runner as you're going through there?
it's definitely a challenge, and I knew it was going to be hilly going in. My sister goes to school here, and so she warned me. She's like, it's a really hilly course. So I started training a little bit on hills back home, and just went in hoping for a good effort today, and so it felt really good. And I remembered what goes up must come down as well, so I was looking forward to those downhills.
How is your body feeling? How are you feeling as you're going along?
I felt really good this morning. I was able to keep, I think, a pretty consistent pace, which is what I always aim for. So I tried not to go out too crazy, and then just kind of held a steady pace. So it was good, and I liked the downhill coming to the finish. That was pretty nice.
Will we see you next year?
I definitely think so. Fun race.
Congratulations. We appreciate it. There's Lauren there. She's from Fort Worth, Texas. She won the women's half marathon a little while ago. She finished around an hour and 19 minutes, so she was cooking, folks. I mean, she was running incredibly fast. She finished maybe 4 or 5 minutes behind the first male top competitor who finished the half marathon. And